Naman natin that these are not mere typographical errors. Blanco 28 bank items. Hindi mo pwedeng basta-bastang ma-disregard yan at sabihin blanco. No, it's not. May mali talaga. Highly questionable at pinirmahan At hindi lang pinirmahan, ratified ng dalawang houses of Congress. Both houses of Congress has ratified the Bicameral Conference Committee. So hindi mo na pwedeng baguhin yon after ma-ratify. So yun na nga ang question kung bakit pagdating doon sa GAA, kumpleto na. Ang aming tinatanong ay bakit sa Bicam report. So we found that a very highly questionable issue. Kaya we had the lawyers study it and made the legal research. Ano ang mga existing mga jurisprudence, legal basis. So we all decided na dapat magpasa na talaga at isampa na ito sa Supreme Court. Dahil that's the only recourse. Na pirmahan na at approve ng budget and it's now undergoing implementation. So the only way na ma-correct ito